If you want to know how to make the process for pre-approval to buy a home easier and faster, then make sure you stay tuned. So, why do lenders ask for these documents and the purpose of these mortgage documents when we are getting ready to get pre approved for a home loan? The lender's job is to verify that you're financially capable of handling the loan, again, without risk of default. So the goal is to ensure the lender can confidently approve your loan and determine for you the best loan terms for you. So let's break down these documents and why we need them. So the lender's going to use this information to offer the right loan amount, interest rate, and payment structure. So here's a list of important mortgage documents that you're going to need when you're trying to get pre-approved to purchase a home. The first are income verification documents. So you're going to need things like your pay stubs, your W-2s, and your tax return. This is needed so that they can confirm your income and your ability to make the mortgage payments. The next set of documents they're going to need are assets and savings, things like bank statements, investments, accounts, and retirement savings. And this is to ensure that you have enough for a down payment and closing costs. Because remember, they want to know that you're financially responsible as well as you have the ability to save money for the purchase of this home and anything that may come up. The next set of documents is going to be your employment history. So they need to verify your employment through an employment verification letter. This is to assess your job stability and income consistency. So that's very important when getting pre-approved. And the next set of documents is credit history, right? Things like your credit report. They want to look at that so they can evaluate your credit worthiness and your risk level. So after that, they're going to need a set of documents to show your identification or proof of identification. You can use your driver's license or your passport. And again, this is just to verify your identity and to prevent fraud. The next set of documents is going to be for debt and monthly expenses. Okay, these documents are anything existing debts like your car loan, student loan, credit card debts, etc. And this is to assess your debt to income ratio and to determine your affordability when it comes to purchasing a home. So here are a few tips for preparing your documents, because you want to make sure that everything that you're submitting is organized, it's legible. So let me share a few tips with you on how you can prepare your documents. You can organize your documents ahead of time. The earlier you start to gather these documents, then the smoother the process will be. One thing you don't really want to run into is submitting these documents and having the lender to come back and ask you for additional documents or to resubmit things. So you want to make sure that this process is smooth as possible. You can create a checklist of everything that you need, like your income verification, credit history, assets, employment information, any of those things that they need. You can also receive a checklist from your realtor. Keep everything in one place, whether it's a physical folder or a digital file, so that you can easily access this information when you need it and upon request from the lender. And one tip is to take advantage of any online document portals that your lender may provide to you to upload your files directly. You want to make sure that you're double checking everything for completeness and accuracy. So this step is crucial because lenders will need the accurate and most up-to-date information to assess your financial situation. So you want to make sure that your pay stubs, your tax returns, your bank statements, and all of the documents are current and complete. Any small errors that you have or missing information could delay the process, even result in your loan being denied. So it's very clear that when they are asking for these documents, you have everything stored away in an organized location, whether on your computer or a physical location where you have those documents. And you want to make sure that everything is legible, easy to read, and clear. And make sure that you stay transparent and provide up-to-date information. Honesty is key in this process, and being transparent, it really just helps the lender make an informed decision and make the process run much more smoothly, and they get a better picture of your financial situation if we have that transparency up front. Make sure that your documents, again, are up to date as much as possible. Provide the most recent bank statements, the most recent pay stubs, the most recent tax returns, because you want to make sure that when you're getting a pre-approved, you're working with the most recent financial information, okay? So this is important because being well prepared and having the most accurate information can definitely speed up the loan process and avoid unnecessary stress. And the last thing that you want is to be scrambling, trying to find documents or fix errors when you're trying to, get pre-approved so that you can submit offers. Because remember, you're not the only one making an offer on a home. So you want to make sure that, your process from start to finish is as smooth as it can be. So the last thing is, again, just having everything organized to avoid delays. And remember, by following these tips, you're going to be able to have a smoother process and be closer to home ownership. Each document plays a key role in helping the lender make a decision. And by ensuring that your documents are complete and accurate, you can improve your chances of pre-approval and potentially secure a better loan term. So if you felt like this video was helpful, make sure that you like, comment, and share this video with a friend. And make sure that you stay tuned for part 2, where I am going to be breaking down each of those documents that we discussed today and why or how they can improve your chances of getting pre-approved for a loan.